Hey guys, it's been many days I've posted few videos. So today I've come with the new product, that is the LED plant grow light. So these lights are usually used for the indoor plants for their growth, and this kind of light is used for any plant with and it is suitable for all stages of plant growth. For example, some lights will be useful only when during the seeding stage. So some lights will be suitable during the flowering stage or during the that kind of stages. So but this kind of light is suitable for all stages of plant growth, and that is what it is written here. Now let me go ahead. So this is the way we can, this is the light we have it inside. Let me open. Yes, so this is the light, and we have the 4 handles, and we can keep it in whichever direction we need. And this is connected to a USB cable. We can either directly insert it into a USB slot, or we can use this to insert. And this is the remote. This is the plus or minus. We can increase or decrease the brightness. This button is to change the color, and this is the timer. We have the timers, right? 3 hours, 9 hours and 12 hours. So we can automatically fix the timer, and daily at that time the light will be on. And this is the on or off button. And let me see what all. Yeah, so as I've told you, this is the timing indicator light. This is the timing indicator light. So for example, if we press 3 hours, then this blue light will be on, and if we press in 9 hours, then the green light will be on. That is about the timing. And the 5th one is press the plus or minus button to adjust the brightness. So this plus or minus button is to adjust the brightness, and this can select to light only a red light, only a blue light, or a red and blue light at the same time. So this button changes the color. And press the timer button to set the lighting time. Setting 3 hours lighting time, the blue indicator light is on. Yeah, as I've told you, when we set it to 3 hours, the blue indicator will be on, and 9 hours the green indicator light, and 12 hours the red light. And see, after setting up time, this grow light will turn on automatically the next day. No need to turn on manually. So that is the good feature. Like sometimes we forget, right, to turn on the light and turn off the light. So by setting the timer, for example, if I set it today at 7 p.m. and for 3 hours, then every day it will be on automatically at 7 p.m. and will turn off after 3 hours of time. And so these are the tips which are given. The product is mainly suitable for small plants. Each light is suitable for 3 to 5 small plants. So each light, in the sense, there are 4 handles, right? So this is one light, and this is the another light. So these are different lights. There should be a distance of 11 to 20 inch between the plant and the light. So there is a particular distance which you need to maintain between the plant and the light. So for example, this is a plant. The distance between the plant and light should be at least 11 to 20 inches. And the next point is, in general, this plant lamp can be turned on for 3, 9 or 12 hours a day for the best possible result. Please keep enough water for the plants when you use the grow light. Okay, so we need to keep enough water, and do not spray water on the lamp. It is not waterproof. So guys, please remember, this lamp is not waterproof, so you need to be careful while watering your plants. Please don't and make sure that you don't water the lamp. This product has been tested through, there are some things. So fine, this is about this product. And let me go ahead and connect this to the USB light. So now I've connected this to the power socket. As we have connected, there is a blue light here near the power button. You can see this light indicates that it is connected to the power. Let me go ahead and on this. So wow, this is a combination of red and blue lights. And let me change the color. So this is only red light, this is only blue light, this is a combination of red and blue light. And we can increase or decrease the brightness. So this is decreasing, see, yeah, this is and now it is increasing again. Yeah, it starts increasing and decreasing automatically, and we can change the color. And when I set the timer, so see, Right now I have set the timer for blue and the blue light is on, and yeah, I've set the time for 9 hours and the green light is on, and this have the time for 12 hours and the red light is on. Yes, blue, green, red, and we can change the color. Yeah, that's all guys. Thank you so much.